I'm going to show you my favorite way to make the brand new Vanilla Chai Latte drink from Ideal Protein. And we have 18 grams of protein in just 100 calories with a net of 4 carbohydrates. Such a great option. And I always loved a chai tea latte at Starbucks and I'm missing it, so this is awesome. I have already filled my cup with hot water, and I always start hot things with hot water. I don't like to microwave the Ideal Protein products, and I don't microwave a lot of things. I have this client who makes me homemade masala chai, and I put a little bit of this in here. It just makes it a little bit more authentic chai spice. And then I have these sweet drops that are the vanilla cream flavor, the stevia. And so I put about 2 halves, so a whole stopper full in my cup. And then I love, love, love cinnamon. Obviously, I have this big, huge one here from Costco. So I'm gonna put some cinnamon in here, and again, just really giving it those spicy flavors that you get with your spiced chai. And I'm now gonna add my packet. So I always add the packet on top and try not to get it everywhere, just like I just did. Then I have this handy gadget here that I love, this frother. So I will go ahead and start frothing, and you can take your frother with you everywhere. So if you're making like a Starbucks mocha or something Starbucks, or you could actually get, the chai tea made in a bag at Starbucks, so there's nothing in it except just water and the herbal tea bag. You could then add your chai packet on top of that. So you can see I've got this nice and stirred up there, and then I'm going to pour it back in my cup and drink it down. So it's for me, it's Saturday night tonight, and I'm going to be watching a little movie. I'm in my pajamas. So I hope you guys are having a super Saturday night. Enjoy this vanilla chai tea latte, and let me know any questions or comments. Write them below and I'll be happy to answer them. Be sure to subscribe for the latest recipes.